Welcome to the tutorial on picklist management for bulk order processing feature. Navigate to Pick tab on SFWMS to get started on order processing. On the pick screen, you will see the new pick lists. A new column has been added to highlight orders with special packaging requirements. For pick lists with special requirements such as items with serial number validation, the special packaging requirement column will capture the information. You can activate the pick lists by clicking on Active Pick List button. Multiple pick lists can be selected together to activate them in bulk. Active pick lists can be viewed by switching to Active Pick Lists tab. You can select any pick list, click on 3 dots column and select the action Pack Now to start packing the orders. You can also click on the pick list ID to view the pick list details. You can click on Start Packing button to start packing the orders. Workflow for bulk order processing feature. For orders containing special packaging requirements such as gift orders, serial number validation, you can process orders in one-by-one workflow only. You need to enter SKU one by one when processing the orders in pick list. For orders with serial number validation, you will need to input the required information before proceeding with invoice and ship label printing. The remaining steps in pack workflow will be same as that followed for one-by-one order processing. For orders not containing any special packaging requirement, you should be able to process the orders in bulk. Clicking on this pick list will take you to the bulk pack workflow as seen in the next image. This is the page for bulk pack workflow where you can process the orders in bulk. The orders available for packing would be visible in Ready to Pack tab. You can track the number of processed orders on the progress tracker. You can select the number of orders displayed per page, with support for viewing up to 100 orders on a single page. You can view the order details such as order number, SKU details, quantity. Clicking on the order ID will take you the orders page. You will get to see the box recommendation at the order level. You can modify the box recommendation at the order level, if needed. To select all the orders, you can click on Order Details checkbox. This will select all the orders on the page. You can also pick and choose the orders of choice by clicking on the checkbox against each order. To update box selections in bulk, select multiple orders. A blue tab will appear above the order list. Click on Action Center. A drop-down will appear. You can click on Update Box in the drop-down to update box selection in bulk. After clicking on Update Box, you can select a box from the drop-down list. Once updated, you will get a confirmation that the box selection has been updated, and the revised box selection would reflect at the order level. To pack orders in bulk, you can select any number of orders, click on Action Center in the blue tab and select the action to print invoice and ship label. After selecting the action to print invoice and ship label, you will see a pop-up asking for confirmation to proceed with order processing. You need to provide confirmation to proceed with the order processing request. While the documents are getting printed, you can track the status on the progress tracker. When all the documents are printed, the pop-up window will disappear. Once documents are printed, you will see the message for orders successfully processed. You need to attach the customer invoice and ship label to the package. This is the last step in order processing which will mark the orders as packed. To view the packed orders, navigate to Packed tab. At any point in the bulk pack workflow, you can switch to one-by-one order processing by clicking on Pack Orders one by one on top right corner. Clicking on the link for Pack Orders one by one will take you to individual order pack workflow. Clicking on the link for Pack Orders in bulk will take you back to bulk pack workflow. Welcome to the tutorial on handling special requirements for bulk order processing feature. Orders containing hazardous material, also called hazmat goods, are eligible for packing in bulk. There are several identifiers for hazmat goods in the workflow. At pick list level, you can see the information that it contains orders with hazmat goods. Clicking on the pick list ID will take you to the pick list details where the hazmat classification is mentioned. On the bulk pack page, you will see the hazmat classifier at the order level wherever applicable. At the confirmation step, you will see the item's hazmat classification. Paste the appropriate hazmat label based on this classification and confirm to proceed. Orders for multi-piece shipments, that is orders shipped in more than one box, are also eligible for bulk pack. On pick list page, you will see the number of boxes. On the bulk page, you will also see the number of boxes. The number of shipping labels printed for the order will correspond to the number of boxes. The remaining steps would follow the same process as for other orders packed in bulk pack workflow. Welcome to the tutorial on ship label changes for bulk order processing feature. Once invoices and ship labels are printed in bulk, sellers can match orders to the corresponding shipping labels using the merchant SKU printed on each label. On the right bottom corner of ship label, all the merchant SKUs associated with the order and their corresponding quantities is printed. The SKU and quantity information can be viewed at order level also. You can reprint documents in bulk for packed orders. Navigate to Packed tab to view and select the list of orders for reprinting. You can select any number of orders. This will trigger the blue tab, where you can click the Action Center button and choose to reprint invoice and ship label. You will see the progress tracker for the request of reprinting invoice and ship labels. Once printed, you will see the confirmation message that the invoice and ship label have been reprinted successfully. To the tutorial on error handling for bulk order processing feature. During order processing, some orders may fail to pack. These orders will not move to packed stage and will remain in the current view with a retry button. You can hover the retry action to view the reasons for failure. Depending on the error code, you can reattempt packing or reach out to seller support. To filter all the failed orders, please select Failed Orders from the All Orders drop-down. You will see all the failed orders, and hover on the Info button to get the error reason. For any issues encountered in bulk packing, please reach out to seller support by raising a support case on SFWMS under Orders and Pickup Issues section.